subject regarding principal harassment in Government College of Kandapur wearing women in hijab. Dear Madam, in the light of fundamental right guaranteed under Article 14 and Article 25 of the Constitution of India, and in the wake of recent unconstitutional conduct of the principal of Government College of Kandapur, preventing the girl students from entering in the college premises is a gross infringement of the above right. So it is mandate of law enunciated by the Honorable Supreme Court in various judgments upholding the practice of religious minorities guaranteed under Article 25 of the Constitution of India, that the Article 25 of the Constitution of India speaks about the freedom of religion to all the citizens irrespective of their caste, creed, class, color, religion, etc. The people of India are equally entitled to freedom of conscience and have the right to freely profess, practice and propagate the religion. That our Honorable Prime Minister gave a slogan of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, emphasizes of the great significance of womanhood and their education. As Indian, being a secular country which embraces all religion and its culture, and every person has a right of his or her choice to wear the dress code of the religion, culture, tradition, etc. That the act of the principal of the government college is violative of fundamental rights and holding in a position of government institution, the act of the principal is entirely discriminatory. Therefore, we are requesting through your august office to convey the same to the government of Karnataka to take action against the principal of the government college, Kandapur. Thank you. Yours truly.